Hello web world, this is Rob at Kelly Sport here. Man, wait till you see this boat. This is a 2023 10 wide 28 foot Bennington QX. This particular one has the fiberglass arch and it has the windshield. And can you say big power? 600 horse single engine Merc. So let me walk through it here. This boat has been, as you can see there, it does have the tune guard on the side of the aluminum. This is the QX, so it has all fiberglass, front, nose, panels, and on the side. Like I said, look at that big boy, 600 horsepower. They have the 3 elliptical tunes underneath to give it more stability and flotation, and this thing scoots. This is a swingback version, so I will walk up here. On the back here, this is really 3 positions. You could sit forward like it is shown now. That backrest flips the other direction so you can look at people coving out in the water. And then that backrest does fold down and hide underneath that seat there to making a big flat pad to hang out, suntan or whatever. But this thing's just monstrous. It's 10 foot wide, cool colors, black, red interior. 2 captain's chairs here. Does have the big Simrad screen, upgraded Rockford system, sub amp. There's a little phone charger right there in case, wireless phone charger, cup holder lights, cup holders. You're switching there, and again the co-captain's chair. Again behind the windshield for that early spring, late fall boating. You want to tuck behind something. This Bennington actually has a porta potty on it, and it is underneath this seat here. It has a privacy curtain that comes around. Those are some cup holders that are removable. You can put them anywhere, but this is just cool. Seats, stitching, armrests, and all of the chairs there. There is another, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but you can put your phone there and it will wireless charger there. Like I said, it's upgraded with the Rockford Fosgate stereos. Here's a little front of it. This is just a really fun boat. You guys looking for a big Tritoon, 10 foot wide, that looks cool and absolutely screams, this might be your ticket. Anyway, I hope this video helps. Again, at Rob at Kelly Sport. Give us a call if you want to come see this boat. Showroom number here is 573-348-3888. Talk to you soon.